In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block a website on Windows 11. To block a website, go to search. In search, type Notepad. Click on Notepad and click on Run as Administrator. Click on File tab and then click on Open. Click on this PC. Then go to C drive. Double click on Windows. Scroll down. Double click on System32. Scroll down again. Double click on Drivers. Then double click on etc. In file type, click on the drop down menu and select all files. Here you will find hosts file. Select hosts file and then click on open. Keep your cursor below of this page and then type 0.0.0.0 space facebook.com 0.0.0.0 space www.facebook.com 0.0.0.0 space m.facebook.com 0.0.0.0 space fb.com 0.0.0.0 space fbcdn.net. Click on File tab again and then click on Save. Close Notepad. Again, click on Search. Type cmd. Right click on Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type ipconfig space /flush DNS. This command will clear DNS resolver cache. Hit enter. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Close command prompt. Now I am going to verify whether this process is working or not. Go to Microsoft Edge. In address bar, type facebook.com. Hit enter. Hello. Can't reach this site. Close Microsoft Edge. Open Google Chrome. In address bar, type facebook.com. Then hit enter. And Facebook is successfully blocked from all browser in Windows 11. That's it.